Hello all and welcome back to my channel, Drunk Crafts with Paige. I am Paige, and this week I am drinking another peach chaos cider. Out of the three that I've tried, the lemon, peach, and blackberry, the peach is my favorite by far. I believe the week that this comes out is the week of Thanksgiving, so first of all, happy Thanksgiving to all of my wonderful viewers who celebrate it. For many people, myself included, the end of Thanksgiving signifies the start of the Christmas season. I don't touch my Christmas decorations until Thanksgiving is over. But now that it is Black Friday, that officially means the start of Christmas present crafting season. So we are gonna go ahead and start working on a Christmas present for my sister and brother-in-law. I am creating some geometric wall art in the pattern of a deer using popsicle sticks, hot glue, and spray paint. If you guys are interested in seeing how this turns out, please continue watching. This is the giant pattern that we are going to be using. Hopefully it all shows up on camera. It's a pretty big, it's a deer. How I created this, I basically found a geometric image that I really liked. I used just a web address to divide a picture into even squares, and then I lined them all up, got them as big as I wanted to, and then these are each printed out on just regular 8.5 by 11 printer paper. And then I went and did some cutting, taped it all together, so now we have this gorgeous outline. And we can basically go and build our geometric version on top of it. Other than this, supply-wise, I have just regular craft sticks. The ones I'm using aren't super wide. I guess if you would like a thicker picture, because we're gonna be standing these up on their edge. So if you would like your piece to be just a little thicker out from the wall when you hang it, you could use thicker popsicle sticks. I also have, these are just trimming shears that I'm gonna use to cut the popsicle sticks. You could use wire cutters, you could use regular scissors, basically just to go and cut down our popsicle sticks to the shape. Also, glue gun. So those three things are all I really have for this step. A lot of this is probably going to be time-lapse because it's really just gonna be me cutting and gluing popsicle sticks together to create this. It might be a chill activity, watch some TV shows while you do it. If I run into anything, I'll let you guys know. I guess I should explain just a little bit, but I also did grab a pencil because what I'm going to do is I'm drawing a line to flatten off the rounded edge of the popsicle stick, and then I'm gonna match that up with one of these lines. Mark where the end is. So there's my popsicle stick. And I've found that with using these cutters to get the best quality of popsicle stick is you cut about halfway in one direction and the rest of the way on the other side. That way your wood doesn't splinter. So we have one flat, straight popsicle stick that we're going to glue together. Here is the full finished piece. All of our popsicle sticks are glued together. Do not mind the different colored ones. I ran out of plain colored popsicle sticks. So I'm going to take my hand Dremel and drill some of these spots where the glue is kind of thick and bumpy, make it nice and even. And then we are going to spray paint this whole figure with dark green spray paint to match where it's gonna hang. And I'm gonna be careful to make sure that I'm spray painting from each angle. We got a lot of popsicle sticks, a lot of tiny crevices. So I'm gonna kind of move around, hit up every possible angle to make sure we get this whole thing nice and clean looking and a solid green. Spray paint is dry and our geometric deer piece, it's hard to say, geometric deer piece is finished, and I do have a couple of notes on this project. Firstly, I thought the popsicle sticks would be a little bit more sturdy. Perhaps I need to stack one on top of the other or even get thicker popsicle sticks, but the ones that I bought, even though they're made of wood, felt really flimsy. And compared to a professional version of this, which would probably be made out of metal, it just feels so flimsy. And secondly, I have some thoughts on the hot glue. I understand that hot glue is nice for this situation because it hardens fast, but just like our flying key piece, it made our popsicle sticks and the whole geometric deer look kind of clunky. And that was why I decided to use the Dremel and sand down some of the glue a little bit. And then it kind of got weak and didn't hold the popsicle sticks together very well. So I'm interested in maybe trying this with a different kind of glue and some different material. This may have to be another piece that we revisit again. But overall, this geometric deer piece looks so cool, and I can't wait to show you guys how it looks all finished. Here are some up-close shots outside in the natural light. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this week's craft. And if you did, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I post videos most Fridays. I'll see you all for the next one. Cheers.